Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Selkirk Pickleball Paddles. The Selkirk SLK Evo series offers 3 high-performance pickleball paddles, Evo Power, Evo Control, and Evo Hybrid, designed to cater to different playing styles. The Evo Power features a T700 carbon fusion carbon fiber face with a 13mm Rev Power polymer core, weighing around 8 ounces, and is ideal for players seeking aggressive, powerful shots with enhanced spin. The Evo Control also has a carbon fiber face but with a thicker 16mm Rev Control polymer core, weighing approximately 7.8 ounces, providing excellent precision, touch, and consistency for finesse-based play. The Evo Hybrid 2.0 combines a C7 Flex hybrid fiberglass face with a 13mm Rev Hybrid polymer core, weighing 7.6 to 8.0 ounces, offering a balanced mix of power and control for versatile players. All paddles feature Selkirk's Ultra Comfort grip and thermoformed construction for durability, making the SLK Evo series suitable for players of varying skill levels and play preferences. Number 2. Head Attitude Pickleball Paddle. The Head Attitude Pickleball Paddle series offers a variety of paddles designed to suit different skill levels and playing styles. The Attitude core is ideal for beginners, featuring a polypropylene honeycomb core and composite hitting surface that balance power and control, weighing around 8.1 ounces for comfortable maneuverability. The Attitude SUPRM is built for players seeking added power and spin, with fiberglass construction and Spin Plus technology to enhance performance and durability. The Attitude Teen Paddle provides effortless power and control through its lightweight fiberglass design and ergonomic grip, making it suitable for extended play sessions while remaining budget-friendly. Overall, the series combines quality materials and thoughtful design to help players improve their game, whether they are new to pickleball or looking to upgrade their equipment. Number 3. Diadem A52 Carbon Paddle. The Diadem A52 carbon fiber pickleball paddle is a high-performance option designed for players seeking a blend of control, power, and spin. Weighing approximately 7.75 ounces, this paddle features an edgeless design that enhances maneuverability and reduces miss-hits. Its carbon fiber face provides a responsive and durable hitting surface, while the 13.7mm polypropylene honeycomb core offers a balance of power and control. The paddle's PU paint coating enhances spin potential, allowing players to execute sharp cuts and topspin shots with ease. With dimensions of 16.53 inch in length and 7.22 in width, it offers a comfortable grip size of 4 1/8 inches and a handle length of 5.5, making it suitable for a wide range of playing styles. Additionally, the A52 is USAPA approved, ensuring it meets the standards for official tournament play. Number 4. Gamma RCF Airbender Pickleball Paddle. The Gamma RCF Airbender Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance, customizable option designed for players seeking precision, control, and adaptability on the court. Its Toray T700 raw carbon fiber face delivers exceptional spin and ball feel, while the polypropylene honeycomb core provides a balance of power and control. One of the standout features of the Airbender is its aerodynamic open throat design, which enhances maneuverability and responsiveness during play. The paddle also includes a Zorbicon Shockbuster gel insert at the throat, which absorbs vibrations and redistributes weight, contributing to a smoother and more stable swing. Additionally, the removable end cap and variable weighting system allow players to adjust the paddle's weight and balance to suit their individual preferences. Number 5. Pickleball Paddles Set. USAPA-approved pickleball paddle sets are ideal for beginners and intermediate players seeking a complete and convenient package. These sets typically feature fiberglass paddles with a honeycomb core for a balance of power and control, outdoor pickleballs, and a carrying case for easy transport. Popular options include the MTEN Pickleball Paddle Set, which offers 2 wide paddles, for outdoor balls, a carry bag, and grip tapes, the Sprypals set, featuring lightweight fiberglass paddles with a carry bag, and the new Pipo Fiberglass MX24 set, which includes 4 paddles, a mix of indoor and outdoor balls, and a carry bag. All paddles are USAPA certified, ensuring they meet official tournament standards, making these sets a practical choice for players looking to start or upgrade their pickleball equipment.